Today I'm going to do a quick little product review here. Just a fun thing. Show you how it works. We got this blue box in the mail. Do you know what's in it? Have you seen these before? It's a popcorn maker in a bowl. It looks like a coffee pot. And the idea behind this is that you can avoid all the chemicals and all the additives that are in microwavable popcorn packets. Instead, make just fresh popcorn with just the corn. And you can add toppings or butter or whatever you like, but you avoid the chemicals that come in the packets that not everybody wants to eat. So we're going to give this a try. We haven't tried it yet, and it looks like fun, and it's pretty easy to use. So I'm going to wash it out first, and I'll be right back. Alright, first I'll tell you there's a very small instruction booklet with this. The name of the company that makes this popper is called Ecolution, and it's called Micro Pop. Alright, inside it gives you some quick ways to start using your popper, but there's a whole list of precautions that you should use first. For instance, you shouldn't touch the silicone lid or the pot without a pot holder, and things like that. How long you should pop it and so on. But I'll give you the quick rundown here. There's a little measuring device in the top of the lid, and this, if you fill it to the line with corn, will give you half of a pot. So we're going to make a whole pot. You can make a whole pot at once, but you need to cook it for the same amount of time, whether it's a half or a whole. The only way to get more popcorn is to add more corn, not more popping time. That's the first part. Alright, so we have 2 servings here that should make a full pot, pretty near a full pot. When we're done, we're going to add a little butter in the lid, but actually you add that after the popping is done, and that just melts on top of the popcorn. It kind of spreads it out by having all those little holes. There will be hot steam coming out of the holes, so we have to be careful handling it when it comes out, just like when you open a bag of microwave popcorn. You got to be careful. Alright, we're going to put it in. Recommended time is 2.5 minutes. Most microwave ovens have a popper setting. It's 2.5 minutes in most cases, but they're all a little different, so that's what we're looking for here, 2.5. Alright, I'm going to put it in, and we'll see what happens in 2.5 minutes. Hit the popper setting. Can you hear the popcorn popping in there? Alright, popping should be finished. Let's get it out. Woo! Alright, let's take a quick look at the bottom. It didn't pop all the kernels.
Oh, put it in longer, huh?
Yeah, we could have made it a longer amount of time. But we're going to go with this. I'm going to put a pat of butter on top and take advantage of the steam here to melt some butter in there. And it is starting to drip in. Now this is the part that is hot. So you're supposed to use a hot plate if you're going to handle that. But it is dripping butter in. Steam's coming out. Smells good. Shake it around a little bit. Alright, now I've melted the butter into the popcorn. I'm going to remove this. It's cooled off pretty much right now. And we're just going to pour some out into a bowl here. Alright. Now, this is 2 servings. There were a few unpopped kernels in there. It happens sometimes, but I think they're nice and fluffy. I think they came out nice. I expected to see a bigger bowl actually myself, but that's what that measurement is for. And also in here it tells you it's very important to use your own microwave setting and get used to how much popping time you need for that amount of corn. We actually had to turn this on to 5 minutes. Was it 5 minutes to get this popped? But in your microwave oven, you may have different wattage, and you might get a different popping time. So that's part of the learning curve on this. So I think it's pretty neat. It's a nice way to make popcorn. All right, it's nice and crunchy. I think this is a pretty cool device. If you get a chance to use one of these, it looks like a lot of fun. Movie night and snack time. So give it a try. Thanks for watching my video.